building homes with experience, quality, and trust. For over 17 years, we have been building homes with care, quality, and commitment. Every project has taught us something new about planning, materials, and execution. We are an ISO certified construction company. This means our processes follow strict quality and safety standards at every stage. From independent houses to premium homes, we have successfully completed multiple projects across Bangalore. Our work speaks through the homes we build. Experienced builders know how to avoid mistakes, control costs, and deliver on time. That's the advantage of working with professionals. If you're planning to build your home, choose experience you can trust. Contact us today for a free consultation.